Hello and welcome to this series of tutorials about LiveScaler. So LiveScaler is a pair of Max for Live devices that allow you to change the harmony of your entire track in live. So to be concrete, I just want to put up a quick demo of how it works. So I have this trance track and this is the drop. And I use LiveScaler to transform all the notes of all the instruments at the same time. So for instance, so as you can see, basically what I just do is that I press a pad and the whole harmony changes. You can apply a lot of transformations, for instance, from minor to major, from major to minor, and also some more exotic scales like whole tone scale, like this one. I'm sorry, my CPU is a bit dying because of the streaming. So how this works is that you have a conductor that sends the transformations to all the instruments, and you put a LiveScaler instrument on every MIDI track that you want to be transformed. So here I have like all my basses, all the melodic instruments, and they all have LiveScaler on. And when you send a transformation, it sends them to all of them. So the goal of this series of tutorials will be to show you how all of this works, which transformation to use and when, and how the mappings work, like for instance the 4x pad here, or the MIDI keyboard. Also, if you like this small example I just showed you, there is a full video demonstration of LiveScaler that you can find in this same playlist. So I hope you like all of this and see you in the next videos and have fun with LiveScaler.